Alright folks, today I'm gonna share with you my personal opinion on this laptop. It's Lenovo Legion Y520. So pause this if you want to see the specification. So I've been using this for 7 months and I'm gonna tell you 7 things that I really love about this laptop and 3 things that I hate in this laptop. Okay, so I'm starting with the box. It's not reviewing. The box is not fancy at all. It's really ordinary. This box contains 2 major parts: the power supply and the laptop. Okay, so I'm gonna first start with what I love. Number 1 is the adapter, the brick. The brick shape is like this. The conventional brick shaped like this. So what do I really love about this shape is when you're like me, you put this a lot on the back and you just kind of hit it, put it on the bottom. This kind of design will less likely to be broken in the next 2 years. I'm telling you that. So yeah, that's enough for the power supply. Nothing more special about it. Okay, number 2 is the hinge. Okay, it feels really solid when you open it. Really solid. My previous laptop is Y50, which is also Lenovo Y series, and it's less solid when I open it. It's kind of fragile when you try to open it. It's really kind of fragile, but this one feels really solid, which I love. Okay, next is number 3. Okay, number 3 is the keyboard. Okay, what I really love about the keyboard is the backlit. The intensity of its light is really important for me. I really loved it. So it comes 2 mode, indoor, outdoor, off. Both mode, the brightness of both modes is really, just about right. It's not too bright, it's not too dim. It gives you the very inside and accurate position of where the key is, both indoor and outdoor, which I really love. Okay, number 4 is the screen. The screen itself is anti-glare, so it's kind of matte here. So I'm going to show you that. It's kind of matte here, and it says it has a very wide angle view, kind of like this. So it's really clear whatever you want to see it. It's anti-glare, so you can use it comfortably outdoor. That's a big plus. Okay, number 5 is the performance. If you want to see the full performance of this laptop, is a GTX 1050 Ti laptop. So Y520 comes in 2 versions, the Ti and the non-Ti version. Basically it's like that. It's the VGA card only difference. Okay, so if you want to see it, click on the card above. I put how fast this baby do a cold boot up and the gaming test of this laptop. I also attach on the card above. Okay, so the next number, I forget what number it is the design. So it's number 6, to be honest. Yeah, the design. The design is really slick, simple, elegant, and under the radar. So this is USB 3.0, by the way, which is good. It's HDMI, SD card, and then yeah, this USB Type-C port, I think, but I don't know. Okay, it's under the radar because when you see it, nobody will notice this is a gaming laptop, which is a big plus for me. Okay, the last number 7, is this laptop produce less heat than Y50 did. So I really love about it. Under heavy load, it produced less heat and less noise than the Y50 did. In fact, it's really running quiet and kind of cool when I do the gaming or the rendering thing. Okay, so before I go to the what I hate, please click like if you love this video, find it helpful, dislike if you hate this kind of review, and please put the comment down below for me to improve this video, the quality, the concept and everything, and subscribe if you want to hear more. So we go to what we hate. Number one is also the keyboard, but it's not the backlit, it's the layout. From here to here is okay. From here to here is bad. Let me tell you, it's the numpad. The numpad's supposed to have enter button here, enter. So when you use an Excel, you hit enter with your pinky button. That's it. That's what it used to be. But in this laptop, they removed it. They removed the enter button. They moved this numpad all the way up and removing home page, up page, down button, also the end button, and they move that full button for crucial button for CorelDRAW user and made it as a combination button, which is a nightmare for me. The first 2 weeks I don't really find it comfortable to be working in this laptop, to be honest. A lot of adjustment. Yeah, this is what I hate. And the second thing that I hate is the trackpad. So it's not about the shape, it's really good. There's a line of red there, it's really cool. But the feeling, you know, when you touch it, you know, the sounds, it sounds cheap. Yeah, it sounds cheap, and when you do this, it's not really smooth, you know. It's kind of like there's a resistance over it. I don't find it comfortable at all, to be honest. And the last thing, let me tell you, all Lenovo series comes up with JBL speaker, but this series, Lenovo Y520, you can see here there's no JBL logo here, so it does not come with JBL anymore. The sound quality is okay, but the sound feeling is plain. You won't hear any treble sounds, especially when you do a combat scene on a gaming. You throw a grenade, you won't feel the treble things, because they remove little circle called subwoofer here, which is well known in Y series as the best part. One of the best part of Y series is they put subwoofer here on the back of the laptop, but they finally removed it. I'm not favored that action, to be honest. I really hate it, but yeah, the sound is still okay though, but it's not like what Y series used to be. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video and find it helpful. If you want to buy this laptop, you find it helpful to, you know, consider where you buy this laptop or looking for another laptop. Okay, that's it from me, Stanley. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want to hear more. And for the performance test, cold boot up, click over here. For the gaming test, click over here. And subscribe, click over here. Alright, see you. Bye-bye.